So, regarding the Bitcoin situation, we had drawn the Fibonacci retracement on that particular upward impulse. And as you can see, the target that was projected was actually around the 80,000 mark. Now, we're going to go ahead and remove that overlay, and we are going to focus on analyzing this current impulse wave. And, there's something rather significant that needs to be verified here, which could actually prove to be quite dangerous. So, let me explain. We're going to reestablish our point of origin for this impulse here, and then we'll come right over to here. What's really important to check out for the time being, as we observe this chart, is without a doubt the double top formation that is visually apparent.